Hi everyone! Today we will quickly adjust all the panels in Premiere Pro so you can work fast and efficiently. The principle is easy. We're going to get rid of everything we don't need as a beginner user of Premiere Pro in order to concentrate on things that really matter. Let's go! I'll start by launching Premiere Pro and creating a new project. The important thing here is to give your project a relevant name. Try to avoid naming it 123 or ABCD or untitled. The name should capture the essence of your project. You will do tons of cool projects in your life, so keep them well organized from the very beginning. I'll name mine Customize Panels. Hit OK and boom! Here is the default Premiere Pro interface. Premiere Pro interface was made to satisfy different requests of a wide audience, beginners as well as professionals, and it kind of misses the target in both ways. We're going to rearrange it a little bit and customize it to make our work easy. First, go to the editing workspace. This workspace was created for editing. But even here, we can make some changes that will make life much easier for us. Before you start, go to Window, Workspaces, Save as New Workspace. I'll call my workspace Minimal Editing. Now you've created your own workspace, and when you're done, don't forget to go to Window, Workspaces again and choose Save Changes to this workspace. Now we're going to delete this panel to free up so much valuable space. You can always find it in the window menu here. What is the most important panel for you in Premiere Pro? It's the timeline, right? So we should give it as much space as we can. To do so, let's clear some space over there. The project panel goes up here in the very center. Not here, not here, not here, in the very center. Now you can see it here and you can easily drag it to the left because it's an important panel. You will arrange all your media here. The media browser is also very important and it goes in the top right. Why here? Because you don't need to see those two panels, Program Monitor and Media Browser, simultaneously. Easy. Libraries, info, history, they can all go to hell for now. The markers panel is useful but not for now, so we'll close it and open it when necessary. Do not panic. In case you need something from these panels in the future, you just go to the window menu and immediately see all the panels that are opened and closed. Just choose those you want to open. The Effects panel goes in the upper left. I'll place it near the Effect Control panel, as that makes sense. And now we've finally got our timeline panel wide enough and easy to work with. You can also narrow down this audio panel here, but be sure you leave these numbers visible because they are useful. Before we finish, let's get rid of two more panels. They are here, Audio Mixer and Metadata. So now we've got a minimal, simple, clear workspace with three main blocks. I put my project files here in the project panel, I put my clips and edit them on the timeline, and I see my result here on the Program Monitor. Here on the Source Monitor. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button. And if you want to learn more about Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci, After Effects and other tools for video creators, subscribe and hit the bell button. If you're looking for great and unique music for your videos, visit takedowns.com. You'll find tons of awesome music, and each track has 15, 30 and 60-second versions that you can easily loop, which is very convenient. Also, make sure to check out the cool video effects. See you later. Bye.